This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household products at a very cheap rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to create a free email account for your Hostinger account in 2025. First, I log in into my Hostinger account using my email ID. And on the left hand side, I look for emails. I click on that, and for the Pen and Beyond website, I am going to create a free email. So I click on manage, and here you can see all the email accounts that I have created before. I click on view all. Here I have created only one email account for my website. So I am going to create a new one. I click on create new, and here I type my name naubal@penandbeyond.com, and I have given the password which contains small letter, capital letter, special character and number. I click on create. Now new email account has been successfully created. Now here I use the email account on the browser. So I click on the browser, and this is my email account, and I click on mail.hostinger.com. I open this in new tab, and here I log in using my created email naubal@penandbeyond.com and the password. Now I click on login, and here our email account has been set up successfully. Now I click on compose, and from address is my address, and I sent an email to my Gmail account. I click on the subject as hi, and I type the messages. Welcome to Hostinger. I click on send. Now the email has been successfully sent to my Gmail address. Now I click on the send option, and I can see on the right hand side the from address, the to address, and today's date and the message. So in this way you can create a free Gmail account in your Hostinger account in 2025 easily. Thank you.